Today we would like to share a story of young entrepreneur from Pune city with only 3 decades of life experience. At a very small age, with great ambition and family responsibilities, Mr. V.J. Bora started working. With his dedication and loyalty towards work, he inspires the youth. Firstly, we would like to tell you in short about his company, Bora Packaging Industries. Bora Packaging Industries is a Pune-based company known as a leading manufacturer, supplier and exporter from India. There are 4 brands under Bora Packaging Industries, namely Sachet Maker, Bakery Packery, One-Ware Disposable, Laundro Pack. In Sachet Maker, Bora Packaging Industries provide 2 types of packaging, blisters and sachets. In blisters, we provide peanut butter cream, strawberry jam, honey, tomato ketchup, peanut butter chocolate, mixed pickle, orange marmalade, mixed fruit jam, English mustard sauce, cheesy jalapeno, eggless mayonnaise, desi ghee, Thousand Island dip. In sachets, we provide double refined sugar in square types, double refined sugar in tube types, demerara sugar, iodized salt, black pepper, mouth freshener, oregano. We also provide third-party contract packaging services. Bora Packaging Industries, under its brand Laundro Pack, manufacture products used in textile industry for packaging purpose. The same are currently also being used in the laundry industry by 5-star launderers. Bora Packaging Industries, under its brand One-Ware Disposables, manufacture disposable ware used in hospitals, spa, travelers and individuals. They are the best quality in terms of comfort and is easily recyclable. Bora Packaging Industries, under its brand Bakery Packery, manufactures bakery packaging products such as cake boards, cake boxes, pizza boxes, etc. We specialize in customization for all the above products. Bora Packaging Industries provide a complete range of paper bags and boxes which are made of quality paper that are used to pack gift items. They are appreciated for their durability. Our valuable customers are Marriott Group of Hotels, Apis Honey, Haldiram's Bhujiawala, Suhana by Praveen Masale, Little Italy, Casino Air Caterers and Flight Services, Yana Sizzlers, Bajaj Auto, Crown Plaza, Royal Orchid Hotels, Lulu Flight Kitchen.
Hello, Vijay Bora this side from Bora Packaging Industries and I'm the Managing Director here. My role here is formulating and successfully implementing company policy, directing strategy towards the profitable growth of the company, developing organizational policies, negotiating contracts and agreements, and maintaining corporate relationships. Bora Packaging Industries is a packaging machinery and material manufacturer. We also provide third-party contract packaging services. We have strategically categorized our products in such a way that the potential customers can easily pick their choices. Under Bora Packaging Industries, we primarily focus on packaging machinery and material manufacturing, such as plastic bags and boxes, paper bags and boxes. Example, industrial bags, paper shopping bags, milk bags, flexible laminated pouches, multi-layered laminated pouches, corrugated boxes as well, and pharma boxes. Our other 4 brands, Sachet Maker, Bakery Packery, One-Ware Disposables and Laundro Pack, cater diversified markets.
Hi, my name is Rachna Bora. I am a Director of Operations in Bora Packaging Industries. My task includes coordinating daily operational activities, streamlining management systems, monitoring accounts and budgets, supervising staff, looking after the efficiency of the daily business activities, requesting for the taxation and financial data. I've seen a consistent growth of this company in the packaging sector. This is clearly visible by the goodwill, transparency, and reliability that company possesses, be it with vendors, clients, staff, all others who are associated with Bora Packaging Industries. We have been successful in winning hearts over.